Hey, today I'll be sharing 4 exercises that help me improve my head drawing. Each exercise will address a specific fundamental I lacked and wanted to improve. Quick disclaimer, I'm not an art teacher. I'm just showing you guys exercises that I found from other artists who had worked for me. With that being said, let's go to exercise number 1. This is almost a warm-up. It's an exercise from Asaro on how to draw a box, but to make it fun, you draw a face on it. I usually draw the head using a box, so this helps me practice the first step of my drawing. I know it's kinda boring to draw boxes, but you will also practice seeing the different planes of the head and its perspective. So you can do this using reference, or if you're more advanced, from imagination. I use other drawings as a reference instead of real photos, so I could easily draw the facial features without having to think too much about the proportions and things like that. Because the main purpose of this exercise for me is to practice the perspective of the head and being able to see the different sides of it. The second exercise is about proportions. In it, you're going to deconstruct the head into basic shapes, trying to get the proportions right. First, you draw on top of your reference photo. Don't just trace it. Look for the position of the facial features, eyes, nose, ears. If you don't know how to draw the proportions, in this video, I'll show how to construct the head. You should do this exercise after you learn this, so you can actually understand what you're practicing. Okay, after breaking down the proportions, now we draw the head next to the reference. Remember to only draw construction lines. No details or shading in this exercise. Try drawing it the same size as your reference, that way it's easier to measure the proportions and compare angles. After you finish, place your drawing layer on top of a reference to compare them and fix any mistakes. If you're always drawing flat faces, this is the exercise for you. For this one, you're going to study the planes of the head using the Asaro head as a guide. The Asaro head is a 3D model used to study the planes of the head. The left side is simplified and has fewer details, and the right side is more complex. You should do some studies on both sides of the Asaro head to become familiar with the shape of the planes. So for this exercise, you draw the planes of the head on top of a reference photo. After that, you draw freehand next to your reference. First, lay out the proportions like we did on the previous exercise. Then you can add the planes on top of it. You don't have to draw all the planes, study the main ones first. Also, avoid using curved lines. We're studying structure, so you should use straight lines. The last exercise will be 10-minute sketches of the head. The purpose is to apply what we practiced in the previous exercises, the perspective, proportions, and planes, but in a loose way, without overthinking it. That's why you should put up a timer. Focus on the structure, and don't add any details or shading. If you want to learn how to draw heads using a box, I made a video about it. But if you're interested in how to draw proportions of the head, you can watch this one. See you next time!